What is going on, guys? Mitch's Make Money back at you with another video. In today's video, we're going to be going over how to make 10K as a teenager in 2022 and beyond. Recession-proof side hustles. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So, number one on the list here. What we're looking at with number one is flipping phones and computers. So, not only can you buy broken, repair, and then sell for a profit, once you have this skill of repairing these devices, then you can offer a service to then have two sources of income in that one niche. So you can flip computers and you can repair them, offer a service to repair them for customers. So ultimately, two sources of income with one niche, phones and computers. So, number two is mowing lawns. Now, mowing lawns is a good one because everybody at any point is going to need their lawns mowed. Now, if you live in a area where you don't get snow, you can mow lawns year round, and as long as there's grass that grows and it doesn't get too cold. So depends on your area, but hopefully you can cut grass year round. If not, then the next one is snow removal or leaf pickup, or spring cleaning, so or fall cleaning. So essentially, say you live in an area where there's snow, it gets cold, the leaves fall off the trees. You can shovel snow, maybe even get a snow blower, and then pick up leaves. Maybe even get a lawnmower with a leaf attachment, and then bring trash bags and haul that to a dumping place, right? So ideally, the use of all four of these would be ideal, so you can maximize your income and have a wide variety of skill sets by the time you're 20. So moving on to the next one, flipping ATVs, go-karts, and dirt bikes. So just like the first one that we went over on this list, not only can you buy broken, repair, and flip for a profit, what you can do is offer a service once you gain the skills to fix people's dirt bikes, go-karts, and ATVs. So that is huge. Ideally, again, you would want to do all four of these. Not only will you learn the skills to do these things, but the thing is, you'll learn other skills like managing money, managing your time. You'll learn how to talk to customers and things like that. How to get sales, how to word things in your ad descriptions and whatnot. And honestly, if you're thinking like you're 13 right now and you're looking to get into this stuff, but you're thinking it's going to take a long time to build the skills, bro, you got so many years ahead of you. If you start now, you could have multiple different businesses by the time you're 20. And that is crazy. You'll be better off than most people in their late 30s while you're only 20. If you start now for later, that is huge for your life story and everything. So that being said, that's how to make 10K as a teenager. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Have a good one. Peace.